Logging out of WhatsApp on Android is simple, but the exact method depends on the version of WhatsApp you are using. In this guide, you'll learn two effective ways to log out of your WhatsApp account safely and quickly. Method 1. Use the built-in logout feature, latest WhatsApp versions. Some of the newest WhatsApp updates include a direct logout option, especially for users who manage multiple accounts or are using supported devices. Open the WhatsApp application on your Android phone. Tap the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. Tap Account to open your account settings. Scroll down and look for the Log Out option. Tap Log Out and confirm when the pop-up message appears. Once confirmed, WhatsApp will sign you out of the account on that device. When you want to use WhatsApp again, simply sign back in with your phone number and verification code. If you not find this log out option, follow the next method. Method 2. Clear WhatsApp app data works on most Android devices. If you don't see a built-in log out button, clearing WhatsApp's app data is a reliable alternative. This method resets the app and removes your account information from the device. Open your phone's Settings app. Go to Apps, Applications or App Management. The name may vary by device. Find and tap WhatsApp from the list of installed apps. Select Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Confirm your choice by tapping OK. After the process is complete, WhatsApp will return to its initial setup screen, effectively logging you out of your account. Alternative solution: if clearing data doesn't work as expected, you can uninstall WhatsApp completely and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store. After reinstalling, the app will open as a fresh installation and you will be logged out automatically until you verify your phone number again. By following either of these methods, you can safely log out of WhatsApp on Android and protect your account when switching devices, troubleshooting issues, or sharing your phone with someone else.